So we'll do two exercises today. Very first exercise, we are going to make we will make sure there are some letters. Those letters could be your name, could be something else, whatever you want. We will do some graphic change with respect to those letters or alphabets. In the second exercise, we are going to understand the X and Y axis, how X and Y axis plays a role while designing a game. Okay. So now let's start. Harshit, you have opened the Scratch now? Harshit, you are able to hear me? Or Kevin, you have? Just let me know if you guys are able to hear me or not.
Yes.
Okay.
Stop showing the screen.
No, wait, I was disconnected. Can you guys hear me? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's cross this thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I was saying that we will do two exercises today. In the very first exercise, we will have some alphabets over here and we will do some graphics with that alphabet. And in the second exercise, we will understand the significance of X and Y axis while designing a game. Okay, so very first thing, let's delete this sprite. Very good. Now go and select the sprite. Yes, Agarika.
I can't share my screen today
Okay.
because I'm doing it on an iPad and this iPad doesn't have Scratch.
Okay, and you cannot, or the Zoom does not allow you to share.
Yeah, the Zoom does not allow.
Okay, you probably have to download the Zoom application. Kevin, just go and click on the letters and select the letters based on your. So select K, E, V, I, N. Okay, select K.
Okay.
Vihan, you will do it for your name. Harshit, you will do it for your name. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
There are other letters also. If you go down, you can select those also. Okay. So if you just go down, there are other glow ones also. So you can select those too. Okay. It is VIN or VN?
IN, sir. IN.
Okay. Vihan, you have selected?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's go to the first letter that you have. Vihan, for you, it would be V, for K, Kevin. And let's go and select the sprite at the bottom.
Sir, and screen not done.
You are? Sorry, come again,
Screen
Vihan.
not done.
Okay. Harshit, you have also selected the alphabet based on your name, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will start coding for each of these letters, and for every letter, we will try to understand what all are the different blocks, so that in future, when we create some complicated games, then it is going to help us. Okay. So very first thing, let's go to looks. There would be something called as change color. Drag and drop this change color over here. Yes. And let's wait for others to also do that.
Okay, sir.
And
So And just click on this, Kevin, the block as such. So now you see this is K, the letter is changing, right? The color is changing. Now try to change the effects over here. Instead of 25, make it 45. And then click over here. Okay. So what's happening is in science, every color has red, green, blue value, RGB values. We are just adding those values over here. Okay. Now we want this color to change continuously, right? So we will go and say in control, go to control.
So I already put forever.
You did, you're so smart. Forever, very good. Now just click over here, okay? Now how about we also put a sound over here, okay? So we'll go back to sounds. Let's go to sounds. Or whichever sound you like, okay? Anyhow, you can either record your own sound also, that will do it later. Okay, let's go back to code first. In the code, select the sound block, okay? And just drag and drop the second one over this one. Okay.
I can hear some dog.
That's fine.
Oh.
You like dog, right, Vihan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So let's do one thing. This sound, right? Let's put it in the forever loop itself. And can you check which all sounds are over here?
So they are meow and record.
Okay, so if you want to record some sound, then you can record it also. Let's try to record a sound, okay, so that we understand this feature also. Let's say record. Say allow.
Hello.
And no, you have to press on record first, and just say
Hello.
key. Okay.
Hello.
And stop recording. Okay, save it. Okay, and now go back to your code. Over here, select that the new recording that you have done. Okay, and now try to listen to it. I will not be able to listen to it. Only you will be able to listen. Are you listening something, Kevin?
Yes, sir.
You are listening. Okay. So now let me go to Vihan's screen. Vihan, please share. Okay, so you have play, sound, pop. Okay, very good. Now Vihan, we will code for the second alphabet. Let's select the second alphabet.
Okay, sir.
This time again go back to looks. Again drag and drop the change block. Instead of color, right? Instead of color, let's select something else. What do you want to select over here? Select, for example, whirl. Okay, let's select that and click over there.
I don't like one.
Okay, so which one do you like? Just go and select over here. Fisheye. Okay.
No.
Fisheye also don't like. Okay. Ghost effect.
I like this.
Only color you like. Okay. All right. Then change the color over. Instead of 25, make it 90 or something. 90, and then show me how it is working. Okay, very good.
Sir, should I make it 45?
Yes, you can change, like you have to change that number and see how do you like it. Okay. Harshit, can you share your screen now, please? Okay, in your case, for now the third alphabet. Okay, now let's select the third alphabet. Okay, you have done the second or not? Let's first finish the second one. Okay, then you have to put this in a forever loop. Let's put it in a forever loop. Okay, and just show me as such. Just click on the forever and show me over here on the block itself. Okay. Now you're changing the effect. So now let's try to improve on this one. Okay, you change the effect by some number. If you want that thing to come back, okay, then go back to looks again. Go back to looks again. There would be something called as clear graphics or something would be there. Just scroll down and see. Do you have something called as, yeah, clear graphic effects? Then put the clear graphic effects after that. Yes. And now just cross check. Now click over here again. Okay. And give a wait in between. Okay. So now let's go to control because your computer is running too fast. Give a wait of 0.3 seconds. Okay. I just want to make sure you guys understood why we put wait, because this block and this block is executing very fast. So you're not able to see any change. To see the change, we introduce a wait statement in between. Okay, Kevin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's do it for the third alphabet. In the third alphabet, so now let's select the third alphabet. In the third alphabet, I want this to jump up and then I want it to jump down. This means I will have something Y. So Y will change. Okay. So we will go to motion. Okay, very good. Let's go to motion and there will be something called as change Y. Scroll down. Change Y by 10. Okay. And then give a wait over here. After that, give a wait. Go to control, give a wait of 0.2 seconds. And then give another change Y, give change Y again. And this time we'll do change Y by -10. And now just click on the first one and show me. Okay, so it is jumping and such. Okay, now let's try to put this into forever loop. Go to control. Okay, please now click on the forever for me. Okay, so it will keep on jumping. Now you have to put a wait also over here. Now let's put one more wait after this. Yes, Kevin. Now again click on the forever and see how this is working. Okay, so it is continuously moving up and down. Okay, it moves. Suppose you want it to move further up. So instead of change Y by 10, we'll make change Y by 40. Let's make it 40, 40. And below also you will do -40. Okay. Now let's stop it and bring back F2 over here again. Okay, now again try this. Okay. Everyone with me? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Vihan, please share. Vihan, you have maximum number of, right? Okay. So you have done VH. Okay, you are doing very nicely. Which one is the next one you want to do? Everywhere you are changing colors only, or what? You just want to change colors, or we can do something else also, Vihan? So let's do something else. Now select any other alphabet, Vihan. Okay, select a. Okay. Can you, okay. Now, wait, Vihan, wait. Can you remove this green flag for the time being? Let's remove it. Not just the green flag. Now this A, right? We want this A to rotate. Okay. To do that, Vihan, to do that, go to motion. Go to motion. And very nice, Vihan. Move 15 degrees. Okay. Just put move 15 degrees over here inside the forever loop. And now click on the forever block and see it is moving or not, rotating or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Everyone did that? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now who is sharing next? Kevin, please share. So I'm just trying to make sure you guys understand what all are different blocks, which we can use it later in our exercises. Okay, now we will do it for N. Okay, so what we will make sure, Kevin, okay, you have done for rotation or not? This is the first time you are doing it for rotation, Kevin? Can you hear me, Kevin? Kevin, you are on mute. I cannot hear you. Cannot hear you, Kevin. You are on mute.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, now let's go and put the forever loop. Okay, so
Sir, I have already done it.
okay, very good.
The rotation I have finished, sir.
You have finished it. Can you add one more alphabet? You just add any other alphabet.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir, added.
Okay, now we will code for the alphabet B. Okay, so let's go to the B. For B, we want to make sure
Sir, for
it's
me, alphabet I is not completed.
okay. Then let's do it for
Alphabet
I.
I is not completed.
Okay, then let's do it for I.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
For I, we'll make sure that the size becomes big and then it becomes small. Okay. So we are going to change the size for I. For this, go to looks first. Go to looks. there will be something called as change size by. Okay. Right. So what we will do, then we will go to control first. Go to control. Drag and drop the repeat block. So what we will do, just drag and drop this repeat over here. Okay. Then after, so what we are doing, we are saying I will become big. Okay. And then we want I to become small. Then again, we will have a repeat block. Again, drag and drop the repeat block over here. Not on top of it, below that. Let's stop this.
Yes, sir.
And remove this repeat block. Just
Sir,
put it below this. No,
repeat
just put it
Yes, sir.
below this.
here.
And inside this, put change size by -10.
Okay, sir.
So it will first grow and then it will reduce the size. Okay. Now before that, come over here and make it 100. Over here, just make it 100. Let's try to reset it. And now show me. Just click over here, repeat over here, and show me how it looks like. Okay. All right. Okay. And this you can put it in a forever block.
Forever block.
Just try to see the logic that we are doing. We are saying forever execute this code. First do it for 15 times and then, sorry, first do it for 10 times and then again do it for 10 times this part. Okay. With me, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Harshit, if you can share your screen.
Okay.
So next, can I share?
Okay, you can share now also. Go ahead and please share. Harshit, let him share the screen. Okay? But Vihan, you will do what I'll ask you to do, correct?
Okay, sir.
Okay, which alphabet you want to do it now?
V, sir.
V. Okay. Then for V, okay, now what we will do, there is something known as glide. Okay, we'll make use of the glide one. Let's go to motion.
This, sir.
Yes, go to motion block. And just keep it over here for the time being, okay? We will say when this sprite is clicked, okay, then do something. Everyone with me?
Yep.
Okay, so to do that, let's go to events. Go to events. There is something called as when sprite is, yes, okay.
This, sir.
Let's drag and drop. When this sprite is clicked and put it over here. And now let's first test it, whether it is working or not. Just go and click over here. Just click over here. Nothing happens.
No, sir.
Okay.
I'm clicking on this.
For anyone else, something is happening or not?
No.
So when you click on this particular slide, nothing happens?
No.
Okay. Then change this number, make it 127, 127. and y will be minus 15. Minus 15. Y is minus 15. And now go and click over here on
Yes,
this. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So what's happening is we have written a code. We say is whenever we are going to click on this sprite, go to this particular location in 1 second. So glide it to that particular location. This X and Y, I'll explain you also
Sir,
today.
should I put forever?
No, wait, I'll tell you. Okay. Then again, put a glide statement over here. Put a glide statement again. And this time do y x is 127. Y will be minus 101. I'm just giving you random numbers, okay, so that you can see the difference. And repeat this 4 times. Let's repeat this 4 times. Can you put repeat over here? Go to control. Okay, put repeat inside this. Okay, very good. So what we are saying, when this sprite is clicked, repeat these steps 4 times. Let's do it 4 times. Okay. And after 4 times, it should come back to this particular location from where it started. Everyone with me?
Yes.
So now Vihan, just get your V back over here. Stop your program. Okay. Now just stop your program and get drag and drop V over there.
Sir, it's not drag.
It will drag, yeah. Okay. Wait. Do not click on that. Do one thing, remove this block and remove this block, because as soon as you click, it is going to run that program. Just don't remove that way. Don't remove. Just remove the green flag. Just detach the green flag for the time being, and detach this thing also. Do not just detach. Yes, leave it. Okay. Now bring it back. Okay. What we are going to do, now let's go back to motion again. Go back to motion again. And drag and drop this glide block over here. Okay. And yeah. And now put on top of it when the sprite is clicked. Now click on the sprite and show me. So after 4 times, it should come back. Okay, so it has come back from where it started. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Everyone did that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Harsh, you can share your screen now. Okay, to which particular alphabet you want to do now?
I need to add one.
Okay, let's add one more alphabet. Kevin, you are following?
Yes, sir.
Now for this particular alphabet, okay, what we will do, we will show this and then we'll hide this. Everyone with me? So we'll go to looks. Let's go to looks. There would be a show block. Let's drag and drop the show block. And then let's go back to motion and drag and drop go to block, go to XY block over here. Okay, so we are saying when our program start, it should show me. Okay, so let's put a green flag over here. Okay. Then after, so our program start, show me and go to this particular location. After this, we should hide this particular alphabet. So now again, go back to looks.
Sir,
Yes, Sagarika.
you asked for me?
No, not yet. You cannot share the screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now just drag and drop hide over here. Okay. And then we will do a glide. Let's go back to motion. And then let's do a glide. Yeah, just drag and drop. Glide.
Sir,
Yes.
I have another class, so I have to leave.
Thank you, Sagarika, for joining.
Okay. Bye, sir.
Bye. Over here, put 254. Let's put some number now. 254. Y will be minus 50. And then we will show it again. Let's show it again. And after that, we will say again glide. Say glide. And then in the X and Y, put the same number which you started with. Okay. So put
Yes.
minus it. Okay, you have it. Very nice. Now let's make sure in each of your alphabets you have the green flag on the top. Let's do that for each of your alphabets. This is okay. It is not needed over here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go full screen and play it for me. Okay. And which one do you have to click? Okay. All right. Okay. Now let me see what Kevin has done. Okay. I'll come back to you. Meanwhile,
Sir,
if you
can
want
wait
to,
for me a minute, I am doing it.
no problem. Vihan, can you share? And Harshit, now you can probably just play around and see if you want to make any changes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, Vihan, that was for Harshit. You have to show me, Vihan, what you have done. Okay, you have put green. Go full screen. You have put green flag on everywhere. Okay. Okay. It's all changing colors, right? It should do something else also. Click on the full screen over here. Okay, now show me. Okay, this is changing. Good. Click on this one. If you click on the sprite, one of the sprites should move, right? Okay, very good. It's moving. Do you had one more which was dancing up and down or not? So let's make one of the sprite dance up and down, correct? Okay, we'll make this one, or which one you want to make? Okay, put a green flag. Okay, now show me again. Go full screen and show me. Okay, this is happening. What is happening to these two? There's nothing happening to these two, or what?
Yes, sir. Both have the same code.
Okay, same code. So you have to change the code. Okay,
So
Vihan.
how to make this go up and down?
Okay, how to make it go up and down? Go to motion. Go to motion. Say change Y. Scroll down. Say change Y by 10. Put change Y by 10 over here. Then give a wait of 0.2 second. Go to control. Go to control block. Give a wait of 0.2 second.
Here, sir.
Yes, after that, give it 0.2. And then do change Y by -10. Go to motion again. Go to motion. Change Y by -10. Okay. Okay, now go full screen and show me. So Vihan, every alphabet should do something different, okay?
Sir,
Click on V. Click on V for me.
it ends, sir. I haven't done anything.
Okay, N you have not done. Okay, let's see what N is doing. Okay. Okay. Let's go back and show me again. Okay, you have clicked on V, very good. Okay, now let me go to Kevin screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I go full screen and show you, sir?
Yes, please show me. Okay, your eye is too big. Let's first go and, or you want eye to be big.
Sir, I'll make I small, sir.
Okay, let's make it 100 to start with.
Sir,
Okay,
can I
now,
show, sir?
yes, please go ahead. Okay, B appears. Okay, B is show and hide, right? So that's why. Okay, got it. Okay.
Sir,
Now,
B appears and
so B is there at the start, and then it navigates and then appears back, right? So now let's go back to the code again.
yes, sir.
Now let's
For
add
B,
a
sir.
nice. No. Let's add a new backdrop. So any backdrop that you like, add a new backdrop. Just see if you like any backdrop. Or you can have, okay, let's go back over there again. I just want to see if you can select some other backdrop, and then you can select whatever you want. Okay, first I just want to see. Can you select this broad walk and see if you can, how it looks like, the letters?
So wait, sir. Yes, sir, Kim.
Okay. And now just drag these down there so that they are on the walk itself, right? All of these. So just stop it and
Okay,
drag
sir.
them. Yes.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. B 100.
Harship, you also selected a backdrop?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Kevin.
So can I share my screen?
Yes, Vihan, let Kevin do it and then you can share it.
Sir,
Okay,
my
Kevin, you can go.
change, like when I'm
K is
dragging it
happening
down,
because
it's going top
this is
again.
sprite is there, right? So you have to first detach this one. Just remove this one and then you have to drag it down. Okay. Did you get me? Just remove the top one when the
Okay,
sprite
sir.
is clicked. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Now let's go full screen and show me again. Okay. Good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now let's save this work. Okay. Harshit,
Okay,
you
sir.
also, if you can show me what backdrop you have selected.
So 1 minute, sir.
Okay, you are on a beach. Very good. Okay, so now let's go full screen and show me. You done any changes also after that? Okay. All right, it's going up. And how about T and I? Okay, you still have to write code for that. Okay. You did it earlier and then you deleted it or what? Okay, Harshit, I'll come back to you. Let Vihan share meanwhile you're making changes, okay? Oh, Vihan, very nice. From where did you get this?
I just was type space this came.
Okay, very nice. Okay. And it is matching your alphabet color also. Okay. Right. Okay. Can you save your work, Vihan?
Okay, sir.
Hashiv, let me know once you're ready to share again.
So what's this?
This is just a antivirus scan. That's okay. Let them scan it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is your laptop or someone else's laptop?
Someone else's.
Someone else.
Sagarika's laptop,
Sagarika.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Vihan, if you can stop sharing, then Harshit can share.
Sir, can I leave?
No, there's still. I still have to tell you more. Okay, wait. Where will you go after this class?
Oh,
You'll go home. You are hungry.
no.
Okay, you had like evening breakfast. No, not breakfast. What do you call evening snack?
Yeah.
Okay, you had evening snack.
No.
Okay. No evening snacks also. Okay, let's wait for Harshif to share, and then I just wanted to tell you one more thing. Vian, your school have reopened or not?
My school is not open, but they're doing recording classes.
Okay. Right. Kevin, for you, schools are open in, right, in Bangalore?
No, sir. Actually, online classes started.
Online
Nothing
also.
else.
Okay. Okay.
And books are available. Otherwise, school are not open.
Okay.
Only for books, school will be open. Otherwise, school will be closed.
Okay. Okay. Harshif, waiting for you to share the screen. Okay. Over here, you cannot bring that down. Let's go back to your code again. Now you can drag it down. Yeah. So 1 second. Let me just have a look at your F code. Can you click on the F sprite? So wait for 0.2 second. Forever, change color, change Y. Okay, so what we need to do, if you're doing forever, right, change Y by 10, it will keep on changing, then wait, change Y. Okay, do one thing. Can you put a repeat block over here and then put a repeat block over here? Okay, very good. And put a repeat block for change Y minus 10 also. Okay, and this 0.2 second has to be outside of the repeat block, okay? This 0.2 second. Okay. All right, now let's go full screen and have a look. Very good. Okay, so you got the idea, right? Why F was not coming down? Okay, it looks very nice, your colors and everything. Okay, now let's do something new. Okay, so let Kevin share the screen. Kevin, let's start a new program. You have saved the work, correct? Okay, let's save your work. Oh, you have a
Sir, I
in
have.
underwater. Okay, then what you
Sir, I
can
have
do?
already saved it.
Okay, you saved it. Like after the class, what you can do? You can add one more sprite of fish and you can show the fish gliding. Okay. After the class, you can do that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now let's start a new project. Go to file and let's say new. Go to file, new. Okay. All right, replace. Yeah. Okay. Now go to backdrops. Go to backdrops. And just type X over here. Type X. And select this one.
Is this X?
Yeah, XY grid. And can you drag this cat over here somewhere? Let's drag it. Everyone has done this? Vihan, you have done this?
No, sir.
Okay.
So can I share my screen?
Okay, Vihan, please share your screen. Harshit, you would have studied the XY coordinate in math, right? Geometry.
Yes.
Okay. How about you, Kevin? Do you also have it? XY axis? Okay, he dropped off. Vihan, please share your screen. Okay, Vihan, you have saved the work. Okay, you have saved it. Now let's go back and do file new. Okay, let it scan first. Let it scan. Just scroll up. Just scroll up over here. Go to the file. Okay, say new. Okay. Now go to backdrop and let's select X and Y backdrop.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Kevin.
So there was some network problem. It got cut.
Yes, Kevin, we have not done anything extra. We were just waiting for you to join.
Okay, sir.
There's something here, sir. Should I press this?
Type X over here. Type X over here. And select very good. Okay. So in Scratch, we call this entire thing as canvas. Okay.
Okay,
This
sir.
canvas has got X-axis and Y-axis. This is X-axis and this is Y-axis. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you remember, we were doing something. Can you go to motion again? Can you go to motion? And drag and drop, go to, drag this thing. Okay, so if I say go to X, make it 30, 330. And Y, make it 50.
So should I click on it?
Yes, please click. Okay, so now the cat has moved over here. Why it has moved? Can you just now drag the cat back? It went to X30. Okay, so X30 is somewhere over here. Okay, and Y30 is over here. So it goes and meet, and over here the cat comes.
Okay, sir.
Everyone with me?
Yes.
Sir.
Okay, now we will make the cat speak where she is. Okay. So cat is going to say something that I have reached this particular location. Everyone with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Harshit, you are with me?
Yes.
Okay. So now very first thing, just drag this back. Okay, very good. Now go to motion. Go to motion. And there would be something called go to random position. Just search for a block which says go to random. Very nice. No, not glide. Go to random position. Okay, and then just click on that. Click on it. Click again. So cat is just going at a random position wherever she wants to go. Okay. When she is going to any of these locations, we want it to say something where she is. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now drag and drop this over here. Okay. And then just scroll down over here. There will be something called as X position. No, in the motion itself, yes. Drag this motion, yes. Position over here inside this. Then have one more. Go back to looks. Go back to looks.
So
And
should
yes, again drag and drop this block, the first block.
over here, sir.
Yes. And now this time say Y position over here. Go to motion. You're very smart, Vihan. You are doing this for first time, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just click over there. Click just once. Okay. So cat is saying where she is. Okay. 211 is X, and then she says 66 minus 66. Click again. Minus 154, 36. I just want
137.
Okay, so I just want to make sure you guys understand how the X and Y axis work. So when I say glide to a particular location, so I give X and Y position, and based on that, the sprite goes to that location. So if someone tells that I want cat to go to X equal
Sir,
40, X equal 40, just give me 1 second. And Y equal, wait, Rihan. Let's go back, Rihan. And Y equals minus 20, okay? If someone says we want sprite to go to this particular location, X should be 40, Y minus 20. So on the X axis, you will go 40. Then on the Y in the negative, you will go 20. And wherever they meet over here. So cat will come at this particular location, okay? So this is how the X and Y axis work. Kevin, you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you
Sir.
show me?
sir, I'm gonna,
Yes.
sir, I'm gonna
Yes, sir.
put another sprite, sir.
Okay, you can select another sprite.
Should I stop sharing, sir?
Yes, you can stop sharing and you can save your work also. Okay, so this is what I wanted to explain you. What is X and Y coordinate? Okay,
Okay, sir.
and then I will talk to you tomorrow, Vihan.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye, Vihan.
After
Yes,
I
Vihan.
finish, that sprite, can I show you, sir?
Yes, I will stay back. You can show me. Okay, okay, Kevin, if you can share your screen. You're done the
Sir,
same
I
thing,
did.
Kevin.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you have saved it also.
Going to, sir. Yes, sir. Saved it.
Okay, so tomorrow we will do slightly complicated thing. Okay, so we'll slowly keep on learning new blocks. Okay, then
sir.
I'll talk to you tomorrow, Kevin. Okay.
Okay. Sir, is this exercise 1?
This I have not numbered it as such. Okay, so you can number it the way you want to. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it's because every class you will come, you will find something new. Okay, so there is no syllabus.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, can I stop reading?
Yes,
Sir,
sure.
can I show my screen?
Vihan, I'll come to you. Just let me check with Harshit. Harshit, any questions for today?
No.
Okay, then I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you for joining.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Okay. Kevin, if you have any questions.
Sir, no, sir.
Okay, then I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay, now let me just look at what Vihan has done. Okay,
Okay, sir.
thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Vihan, please share. Oh, flying cat? Very good. Oh, this is nice. Yeah. I never knew there's a flying cat also. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for showing me. Very nice. Okay. So you will save the work. Okay, Vihan? Okay. Then I'll talk to you tomorrow, Vihan. Okay. Bye. Bye.